When we talk about making money, there are countless ways to do it. You can start a business, buy real estate, sell products, offer services, or simply get into a well-paying job. But all these paths have one thing in common. They are tied to external factors, to customers, bosses, contracts, or physical resources. Trading, on the other hand, opens up an entirely different world. A world in which you can grow your capital regardless of location, time, or even the state of the economy. A world where, if you master it, you can truly sit at the table with the big players. And that's exactly why trading is often called the king's discipline of making money. But what makes trading so special? Why is it the holy grail of financial freedom for some, and for others an impenetrable jungle full of traps? To answer this question, we need to dive deep into the psychology of trading, the mechanics of the markets, and the mindset that separates a successful trader from the 98% that fail. Chapter 1. The Power of Independence. One of the biggest appeals of trading is total independence. You are your own boss with your own rules and your own decisions. There's no superior telling you when to start or stop. The markets are open 24 hours a day, at least in Forex and crypto, offering countless opportunities to make profits. You can trade in your pajamas or from a beach in Bali. All you need is a laptop and a stable internet connection. But this independence is a double-edged sword. It gives you freedom, but it also demands a level of self-discipline that many underestimate. The moment you are accountable to no one, all the responsibility falls on you. Every decision, every click on buy or sell, has immediate consequences. Those who can't handle that responsibility will quickly realize that the freedom trading offers can just as easily become its greatest burden. Chapter 2. The Leverage of Capital. Unlike traditional business models, you don't have to wait years for returns in trading. With the right strategy, you can make profits within minutes or hours that would take months or years in the business world. The reason is leverage, in the truest sense of the word. Trading allows you to trade with borrowed capital. This means you can take positions many times larger than your actual capital. With a leverage of 1 to 100, you can trade as if you had €100,000 while only having €1,000 of your own money. This is tempting because it can massively boost your profits. But, and this is crucial, the same leverage that can make you rich can also wipe you out just as fast. Leverage is like a scalpel. In the hands of a skilled surgeon, it's a precise tool. In the hands of a layperson, it can be devastating. Chapter 3. The Battle Against Yourself. Many believe that trading is primarily a matter of having the right strategy, chart patterns, indicators, technical analysis. That's not wrong, but it's only half the truth. The decisive factor is you. The biggest hurdle in trading is not the market. It's your own mind. Greed, fear, impatience. These are the real enemies of a trader. You can have the best system in the world, but if you panic and close your position just because the market temporarily moves against you, you'll lose in the long run. Or if you get greedy and leave the trade open even though your target has been reached, you'll sooner or later watch your profits turn into losses. Successful trading is a mental marathon. You have to learn to control your emotions, stay rational, and not be thrown off by short-term fluctuations. The king's discipline is therefore not just about reading the markets, it's about mastering yourself. Chapter 4. The Never-Ending Learning Curve. Trading is not a skill you learn once and then master forever. Markets are constantly changing with new technologies, new economic conditions, geopolitical events. What works today may be useless tomorrow. This means that a trader never stops learning. This constant development is another reason why trading is considered the king's discipline. You're not just a worker repeating the same task every day. You are a strategist, an analyst, a psychologist, and you must always think one step ahead. Stand still and you'll lose. Chapter 5. The Illusion of Getting Rich Quickly. Unfortunately, trading is often portrayed by shady gurus and social media influencers as a quick way to get rich. Make $1,000 a day, no experience needed. Such promises are not only unrealistic but dangerous. They attract people who don't take the craft seriously and quickly lose the capital they invest. The truth is, trading is a profession like any other, but with a lower barrier to entry and higher risk. You can start trading within weeks, but it will take years to become truly consistently profitable. The road is tough and only a few make it to the top. But those who do are rewarded with a freedom and income that few other careers can match. Chapter 6. Why it's still worth it. Despite all the risks, setbacks, and sleepless nights, There is a reason why so many consider trading the king's discipline. The reward is unmatched. You're not dependent on the economy, on an employer, on physical products, or on a location. Your success depends solely on you, your knowledge, your discipline, and your mental strength. A successful trader is like a chess grandmaster, seeing several moves ahead, recognizing patterns where others see chaos, and knowing when to strike and when to retreat. They understand that losses are part of the game, and that it's not about winning every trade, but about having a long-term statistical edge. Chapter 7. The Lifestyle Myth and Reality. In many people's minds, the trader lives in a luxurious penthouse, looking out over the skyline while charts run across multiple screens. The reality is often different. A trader spends hours analyzing markets, refining strategies, and documenting trades. It's hard work, but it's work that can be done from anywhere in the world. And yes, for those who master it, trading can indeed offer that lifestyle. But the path there is paved with discipline, self-reflection, and relentless learning. The crown belongs only to the patient. Trading is not for everyone. It's not a hobby, not gambling, not a magical money-printing machine. It's a craft that requires as much dedication, discipline, and perseverance as any other demanding career, maybe even more. And that's exactly why it's the king's discipline of making money, because it forces you to become the best version of yourself. In the end, the true reward is not just the money. It's the independence, the mental sharpness, the self-confidence, and the freedom to live life on your own terms.